Hey, this is Workbench from Workbench Quagmire. Uh, Welcome to the Free Code Camp Python certification in 100-ish days. Today we're going to do the Build a RPG Character Lab. So let's go see what we got here. In this lab, you'll practice the basics of Python by building a small app that creates a character for an RPG adventure. Objective: fulfill the user stories below and get all the tests to pass to complete the lab. User story. You should have a function called create character. We can do that. And next, the function should accept in order a character name. Oh, sorry there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go back. Okay. Oh, lost my progress. But the function should accept in order a character name, followed by 3 stats: strength, intelligence, and charisma. The character name should be validated. If the character name is not a string, the function should return the character is not a string. So we're going to start with this. Now, if name is instance return the string. We're going to do this so we can kind of test ourselves. I give myself a 10 for strength, a 10 for intelligence, and a 10 for charisma. I don't know what any of that means, but so far, so good. Now we can test this and see what if we put in here 10. Character name should be a string, so that's working. There we go. Now, second item under number 3, the character should have a name. We have a name. If the character name is longer than, if the character name is empty string, we're going to return this. So let's test this out. The character should have a name. There we go. Item number 3. Under 3, if character name is longer than 10 characters, the function should return the character name is too long. Yes, Lynn. Yep. Name greater than 10. Turn. Character name is too long. So there we go. We're 2 characters under the limit. If the character name contains spaces, the function should return the character name should not contain spaces. So trying to remember all my string functions. Let's see. Find. There we go. Find is what we're looking for. Let's see. Find. Let's just do this. Find. Name. It's not defined. Ah, figured it out. We need name dot find. And our name is not defined because so it gives us -1 because it doesn't find it. And then 7 if it is in there. Okay, so if name dot find not equal to -1, then return the character name should not contain spaces. So if we go down here, and right now, there we go. So I think we got number 3 satisfied. Let's go to number 4. The stats should also be validated. If one or more of the stats is not an integer, the function should return all stats should be integers. So we can do this. I'm just going to put a note, stat check. And up here, name check. Okay. If so, we are going to return all stats should be integers if any of the instance checks fail. So is instance strength int or intelligence or charisma. These are knots. So if strength is an int, this will return true, but this will be false. I'll check all of these. And then we will return, oh, where's our, all stats should be integers. Okay, let's make one of these. All stats should be integers. That works. That works. That works. Let's make two of them. Strings. Yep. That is working for us. Okay. Item number 2 for 4. If one or more of the stats is less than 1, the function shall return all stats should be no less than 1. So we're basically got the same thing here. Put our return string in. And then this case, we're looking for strength less than 1 or intelligence less than 1 or charisma less than 1. Return all stats should be no less than 1. So 0. It is working. Okay. Next item. If one or more of the stats is more than 4, the function should return all stats should be no more than 4. Well, this should be easy because this is immediately going to throw an error. And again, we just could copy this and modify it. Oh, let's change that to 4. So now we got to change our stats because our stats are all more than 4. So we're definitely 4s across the board, though. Uh-oh. So we should be seeing something right now. So we've got the logic wrong. Greater than, not less than, greater than. Okay. There we go. And number 4 here, if the sum of all the stats is different than 7, the function should return that the character should have stopped with more than 7 points. Strength plus intelligence plus charisma is greater than 7. The character should not start with more than 7 points. So I go 2, 2, and 3. There we go. I'm going to make that 4. Yep. There we go. I think we passed that. If all the values pass the verification, the function should return a string with the 4 lines. The first line should contain the character's name. So once we get past that, let's go down the line, print name. Lines 2 through 4 should start with the stat abbreviation. So str for strength, then a space, and return the number of full dots. So comma strength times, I believe it's full dots. Yes. Equivalent to the value of the stat and the number of empty dots equivalent dots to reach 10. So then you're going to have 10 minus strength times empty dots. Empty dot. There we go. That looks good. And then we're just going to do this 2 more times. It okay. Looks good. Oh, this is a 4-line string. This is not. Here's a string you should be returned by. So ren. I'm gonna leave it. So I don't remember covering this. Huh. Formatted string. Name. Gotta clean all this up. Hey, now we're getting somewhere. So we got workbench. Just need to put another new line here. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? How do we? Oh, we're not passing one of the tests. Create a character. It's called with a second, third, fourth argument, but do not sum to 7. Oh, we need it to be equals to 7, not greater than. Or not equals to 7. There we go. Boom. We're done. That was a challenge. So we have now completed the build an RPG character lab. Tomorrow, we will look at Python basics review, just kind of walk through that. It'd probably be, see what it is. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's all text. There's no questions. So you can actually walk through that on your own. We'll skip over that. We'll skip the quiz. So if you have any issues with the review and the quiz, then you probably need to go back to these theory sections and reread them. Those are going to be where your answers are at. So next time we'll do loops and sequences. Working with loops and sequences will be our next adventure. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Until next time, see you then.